witness the skill.
And everything I do, I do it for you. I do it for you, mom. I do it for you. I do it for you, mom. I do it for you. I just wanna make you cry.
Hello guys, Molweni, Mambo, Sawubona, Satlu, Hola, Kalivito, Dumelang Wile, Dumelang, Nisikili Bits, Dumelang, Kalivito, Kinuku, Justina, Maut, Kwana, Watawete, Lesotho. So guys, this is actually my first YouTube video, and now it's, as you can see, the name of the channel is called Tell Your Own Stories. Because I just believe stories are better being told by the people who experience them. So when I first got here, oh by the way, I'm in Algeria studying ST in Blida, so probably next ACA, I don't know, Corona, the Corona thing, you know, I don't really know, but hopefully next ACA I'll be doing biomedical engineering. God, I can't wait. So, is the name of the channel says Tell Your Own Stories. I believe that stories are better being told, but people experience them. So when I got here in Algeria, people didn't know where Lesotho was. So people kept on asking, what is Lesotho? Where is Lesotho? Who is Lesotho? So Lesotho is that small country, the small country inside South Africa, the one, the small yellow one, the petite one. That's Lesotho. So that's where I come from. So it's a really beautiful country. It's very mountainous. The kingdom in the sky, like it's everything you would wish for. Or maybe I'm just exaggerating, but it's okay. I'm allowed to do that. It's my country. So I just believe that Africa as a whole continent, people don't even know Africa as a continent, but Africa as a whole continent is not really exposed. Truly speaking, it's not really exposed. What is being exposed in Africa is poverty, malnutrition, all those bad things you can think of. But people actually never look at the right side of Africa. People never look how, like, we have so many cultures, like culture diversities. People don't actually know about that. People actually think we're just people who are just maybe in the jungle living. But I just believe if we as Africans will tell our own stories to the whole world, then everyone will actually understand that Africa is just more than just being poor or just being ill-treated or what, or having bad services and everything that, but we have like actually good things that are happening in Africa and good things that we can actually share to the whole world. So I urge you guys to actually travel your own countries, because even when I got here, people asking me, so look, have you gone to Saslanyan? I'm like, okay, yeah, maybe Saslanyan I have gone to, because like one of the most beautiful most beautiful places in Lesotho, like place of interest. But I just discovered that what we know more about Lesotho is what we've been told. If never actually gone to those places to actually experience them. Now, if you have never gone there, how do you tell people about your experience of being in Afriski, of being in Malintsiane 4, of being in Sitlabatebe, or your own countries? But what we have in our mind is, I want to go to Paris, I want to go to Mexico, I want to go to USA. But when you get there, when people actually ask you about your own country, do you know it? Do you actually know Lesotho and actually you have to be like, okay, this is what I'm urging all of you guys. Like, you need to be good. Okay, we need to love our countries to start with, and that we are the ones who are going to grow our country, because we always complain that our government is not good. Okay, yes, maybe our governments are not good, but what are you doing to improve your country? Are you doing something? So I just believe that if we're to explore our countries and actually expose it to the whole world, tell the people how we live, it'd actually be a nice thing to share among like all of us. So this channel is about that and other things as well. Not only that, not only turning it to that, but mostly will be more about culture, our diversities in our cultures, our countries, languages, so many things, dances, and so many things. Guys, I thank you so much for taking your time to watch this beautiful lady here. And please subscribe, share, and hit that subscribe button. You see it down there, and that hit one day. Just click on it. You know what? Do the right thing. Thank you. I'll see you next time.